Hello my dear friend, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to share with you how you can create Facebook avatar successfully. Okay, so what is Facebook avatar? Facebook avatar is when you want to post something on your timeline, then if you use a background, then you will see the avatar. So you can easily create avatar in your own style. So how you can create, just follow my step, then you will learn. So here you can see the Facebook apps. Click on this, and after that here you can see the option 3 line right side. Click on this and scroll down a little bit, then we'll get the option where we want to create our custom avatar. Click on this avatars, and it needs few times. And here is my avatar. I have successfully created my avatar, so I just show you how you can create. Okay, so here you can see the option edit. So if you are new in avatar, then you can find create avatar, something like that. Okay, so you can use that. This will be easy. Okay, I just edit, and the first thing you can see the skin tone. So you can select skin tone on your own style or according to your face style, or you can choose anything you want. So this is one, I keep this one. And after that you can see your hairstyle, how look like your, usually this is belt. Okay, but I'm not belt. Okay, so I don't know which thing. Okay, I keep this one, and you can choose it. Here you can find girl and boy avatar also, hairstyle. And after that color, you can select your own color of your own hairstyle. And after that face shape, so you can choose according to this. After that I don't need to change here. Complexion, you can see here this is some spot on the mouth, on the face. Okay, so I don't need to because I don't have any, so you can choose anything. And after that lines, here you can see this is spot below your eye, or beside nose, beside lip. Okay, so after that you can choose your eye, and this is pretty cool. And you can find your own eye, or you keep any eye according to your style. After that you can choose your eye color. Here you can see a lot of color. And after that makeup, and this is pretty good eyebrows. You can see here different eyebrows, and eyebrow color, and eyewear, sunglass. You can choose according to your style. Okay, I just give this is good to me. And you can also take your sunglass color, and this is your nose. You can choose your own nose, but I keep this one. And this is lip, you can choose. And this is color, facial hair. So if you are a boy, then you have to option to choose your beard and mustache also. So I don't need to do this, I just keep going. And body shape, so this is my body shape. You can choose according to your body shape, or you can keep anything. And this is your wearing style, cloth style. So you can find here two variations, girls and boy version. So you can find here 3-piece sari if you are a girl, or you can find a lot of things. Here you can see a lot of things. So I keep this one because I love to wear Punjabi. And after that you can choose headwear, cap something, or you can choose hijab if you are a girl. And this is color. And after that it is all done, then you just go to done. Okay, so it takes some times, so few seconds. Then next, and next, and select a pose. Which pose do you like? So here you can see the fourth option. Okay, you choose which how to appear on your post. Okay, I just choose this one. This is maybe funny, right? So I this here the news feed. and as is and write something. This is my avatar. Okay, and post, and it look like my avatar. Okay, so I just okay, and after that you can you will find your own avatar in this position when you created your own style. Okay friend, I just show you the how it appears when you post. Okay, go here and choose the background. Here you can see this one, and it will appear in this. Here you can see your own avatar, and here you can see your own avatar. Okay, so you can choose it according to your style. So I hope this will okay. I write something here. This is my avatar or something avatar, and I give this one. Okay friend, I hope this video